This is Jennifer Miller, Class ISCI 2001, Dr. Julie Thompson. This is my science presentation for first grade. What makes a bird a bird? I would start off by asking the children, what is a bird? I'm sure they would say it has feathers, it flies, it has a beak, it eats bugs, and I would continue adding the ideas from the students. I would then go over what makes a bird from the National Audubon Society. It goes over the main parts of the bird. We would then, as a whole class, fill out this diagram of the bird with the vocabulary words that we had just learned. I would have copies of this page made for each student. And then I would ask them who's ready to make a nature journal and let them design the cover of their journal, and then we would go outside to find some birds. I would also use the Merlin bird identifier app that we used in class from Cornell University, because we are in kind of an urban area, and so we may not be able to see the birds, but hopefully we would be able to hear some in the nearby trees. Thank you very much.